Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Randall Jenkins, and I want to thank you for opting in to my capture page. I hope you're having a great day today. I just want to give you a brief introduction of myself, why I got into instant cash solutions, and what I can offer you as your sponsor. Well, what I do, I am a tax accountant, and I have been a tax accountant for over 25 years, but I also have a degree in marketing. So I was always interested in marketing. I love business, and I saw that this copy and paste ad was online, and I thought this was something that was very simple to do, very simple to start. So I have gotten into instant cash solutions, and it has been an awesome opportunity for me. Just a little bit about myself. I'm married. Been married now for about 3 years. I have two daughters from a previous marriage that are in their 30s, and they're doing great. And one daughter is also in business for herself. Also, I like inspiring people. The reason that I got into this was to have extra money for my grandchildren, to leave a legacy for our family. And so I love marketing, I love helping people, and I believe that this opportunity is a great opportunity to help you. And so I'm here for you. Uh, this business is very simple. Rich Meyer, he's the owner of the business, and he has included everything that you need to get started. Also, I'm here for you. My phone number right off the bat is 512-589-0744. On Tuesdays, Rich gives a weekly overview and training of the business. And I have a Facebook group myself that once you sign on with me, I'll include you with the Facebook group. There, I also do weekly training, and I also answer questions, and I give you tips and tricks for online marketing. I've been a full-time marketer since 2013, and I've been in my own business since 1989. So I've always been the aspect of working from home, and it is great to do. I'm here to help you, and so I'm very interested in what is it that you want. What are your goals? What are you looking to do with your business? And this is a business, but everything you need is in the back office. Uh, what I'm offering you when you join with me is I have a rotator where I can help you get leads. Leads is the lifeblood of the business, and I'm going to put you in the rotator so that you can get leads, and by getting leads, you will get sales. I can't guarantee anything, but I can guarantee you that you will get leads when you join with my team. Also, I am very accessible. You can reach me on Facebook, you can reach me by email, and you can reach me by phone or text. I'd love to work with you. In the next video, you will see a webinar that me and Rich Meyer, the owner, has done. And I ask you to take a look at that webinar, which gives you all the information that you will need to make a decision on whether you want to join Instant Cash Solution and whether you would like to join with me hand in hand so that I can help you reach the goals that you would like. Have a great day. God bless and take care.